Hello students, good morning everybody. Okay, today we have some problem. Uh, First, Mr. Groom deposit a sum of alias 5,000 in a bank at the rate of 8.5% per year. Find the amount received by him at the end of 4 years. Understood? That means Mr. Groom deposit 5,000 in the bank. Deposit means 5,000 is the principal of Mr. Groom. Understood? At the rate of 8.5%. 8.5% rate means rate of interest. Rate of interest, then principal 5,000 and rate of interest is 8.5% per year. Find the amount received by him at the end of 4 years. Time equal to 4 years. So we have to find the amount. We have to find the amount of 5,000 at the rate of 8.5% in 4 years. Okay, here given principal, yes, principal P equal to alias 5,000. This much. Principal P equal to alias 5,000 and rate of interest also given. Rate of interest R equal to 8.5%. Understood? Then time T equal to 4 years. 8.5% per annum annually. Per year means per annum. Annually वार्षिक प्रत्येक वर्ष 8.5 रेट भयो. प्रत्येक वर्ष 100 रुपैयाँको इति इन्ट्रेस्ट हुन्छ. हामीले हिजै पढेको. ओके, देन टाइम T equal to 4 years. We have to find amount of 5,000. Yes, the amount A equal to what? First of all, you should find interest, simple interest. You know, simple interest equal to PTR upon 100. So we have interest I equal to PTR upon 100. Now P equal to 5,000 into T equal to 4 years and R equal to 8.5 upon 100. Then 0 cancel equal to RS. Okay, 50 into 4 into 8.5. Yes, 8.5 into 4 into 50. We get RS 1,700. This much. 1,700 is the interest of RS 5,000 in 4 years. But we have to find amount. You know amount? Amount is the sum of principal and interest. Therefore, amount A equal to principal plus interest. We get principal is 5,000, then RS 5,000 plus 1,700. We get RS 6,700. This much. 6,700 is the amount of RS 5,000 at the rate of interest 8.5% per year in 4 years. इसको मतलब के भयो, इट मीन्स उसले डिपोजिट गरेको थियो 5,000 बैंकमा, कति पर्सेन्टले 8.5%ले कति इयरको लागि 4 इयर्सको लागि. आफ्टर 4 इयर्स he will get 6,700. Understood? मतलब 4 वर्षपछि उसले 5,000 को कति रुपैयाँ पाउनेछ भनेपछि 6,700 आफ्टर 4 years. That is amount. Understood? Okay. Now let's see question number 2. At what rate percent? At what rate percent? Rate of percent per annum will a sum of RS 4,500 amounts to RS 5,445 in 3 years. It means 4,500 amounts to RS 5,445. 4,500 amount 5,445 भयो in 3 years. भनेपछि रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट कति थियो, यसको हामीले रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट फाइन्ड गर्नुपर्ने. क्लियर? ओके. Here given principal at what rate percent per annum will a sum of 80. यति सम चाहिँ कति रेटले 3 वर्षमा यति हुन्छ. यति हुन्छ भनेको यानी यो बढेर यति आयो भनेको मिनिङ यो अमाउन्ट भयो, यो प्रिन्सिपल भयो. सो प्रिन्सिपल equal to RS 4,500 and amount equal to RS 5,445 and time okay, principal P equal to RS 4,500 and amount A equal to RS 5,445 and time T equal to 3 years. Understood? Clear? Now at what rate percent per annum भनेपछि हामीले रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट फाइन्ड गर्नुपर्ने. त्यो भन्दा पहिला हामीलाई इन्ट्रेस्ट चाहिन्छ भनेपछि इन्ट्रेस्ट इक्वल टु इन्ट्रेस्ट equal to principal plus interest. Principal plus interest equal to amount. So interest equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Understood? Interest I equal to amount minus principal. We get here amount is given RS 5,445 minus principal is also given RS 4,500. We get 5,445 minus 4,500. RES 945. 945 is interest. Okay, now we have to find rate of interest. So we have rate of interest. Rate of interest R equal to I into 100 upon PT. We get I 945 into 100 upon P 4500 into time T 3, we get 0 cancel. Now 945 divide 45. Yes, 945 divide 45, 21, then 21 divide 3, 7, we get 7%. Understood? यहाँ के भने चाहिँ हाम्रो क्वेशनले भनेपछि at what rate percent per annum, कति रेटमा हैन 4500 को अमाउन्ट 5445 भयो इन 3 years, 3 वर्षमा भनेपछि 3 years मा 4500 5445 हुन गयो। त्यो रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट कति हुन्छ भनेपछि हाम्रो रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट निकाल्ने फर्मुला के हुन्छ I into 100 upon PT। त्यसैले हामीले सबभन्दा पहिला इन्ट्रेस्ट निकाल्नु पर्यो। त इन्ट्रेस्ट इक्वल टु के हुन्छ अमाउन्ट माइनस प्रिन्सिपल, बिकज अमाउन्ट इज द सम अफ प्रिन्सिपल एन्ड इन्ट्रेस्ट, देन इन्ट्रेस्ट इक्वल टु अमाउन्ट माइनस प्रिन्सिपल, वी गेट इन्ट्रेस्ट। भनेपछि हाम्रो इन्ट्रेस्ट यहाँ 945 भयो ल, अनि रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट इक्वल टु I into 100 upon PT, भ्यालु राखिदिने, सोल्भ गरिदिने, 7% हुन्छ। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेशन। Next question, find the sum that amounts to RES 80 in 4 years at 5% per year. Simple interest अनुसार, according to simple interest, find the sum that amount to RES 80। हामीलाई सम फाइन्ड गर्न भनेको छ। सम भनेको हामीले प्रिन्सिपल फाइन्ड गर्नुपर्ने हो, जुन प्रिन्सिपलको अमाउन्ट 1500 छ 4 इयरमा 5% ले, भनेपछि त्यो प्रिन्सिपल के होला, त्यो हाम्रो दिएको भयो अमाउन्ट A equal to RES 1500 and rate of interest के छ, rate of interest R equal to 5%. Understood? Rate of interest R equal to 5%, then time T equal to 4 years per annum. This much are given. Understood? Amount, rate of interest and time are given. We have to find the sum. Sum means principal. So principal equal to what? Principal P ल हामीलाई अमाउन्ट दिएको छ। We know amount equal to P plus I. Understood? Okay, then we can write P equal to A minus I, but here age only given, interest is not given, so P equal to A minus I means PTR upon 100. Now T and R are given, but principal is not given. We have to find principal. Okay, again, amount A equal to P plus PTR upon 100. अब यो माइनस छ यसलाई हामी यो साइड ल्याइदिएको त P प्लस यति. Now amount A equal to P common, then here 1 left, 1 plus here TR upon 100 only left, TR upon 100. Understood? Or A equal to P times 100 plus TR upon 100. This much. Understood? Okay. Now A into 100 upon 100 plus TR equal to P. That is the formula of principal. In which condition? If amount, rate of interest and time are given, then principal equal to A into 100 upon 100 plus TR. Understood? हामीले यहीँबाट फर्मुला आफै ड्राइभ गरेको है, जुन पनि फर्मुला हामीले यादै गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. र चाहिँ हाम्रो फर्मुला यहाँको लागि प्रिन्सिपल निकाल्ने फर्मुला यो भयो A into 100 upon 100 plus TR into P. Okay, now so we have amount this much, rate of interest 5% per annum, time T equal to 4 years, then principal P equal to A into 100 upon 100 plus TR. Understood? Now amount 1500 into 100, then here 100 plus TR, 100 plus T times 4 into R 5. Clear? बुझ्नुभयो? R हाम्रो 5 छ, टाइम 4 छ. अब सोल्भ गरिदिने. Okay, this much. Divide 100 plus 5 for the 20, 120, 0, 0 cancel. Now 15,000 divide 12, 15,000 divide 12, we get 1250 equal to RS 1250, 1250 is the principal. Clear? जतिखेर हामीलाई amount A, rate of interest R, टाइम T दिएको हुन्छ त्यतिखेर हामीले प्रिन्सिपल निकाल्ने फर्मुला के राख्ने? P equal to A into 100 upon 100 plus TR. त्यसपछि हाम्रो प्रिन्सिपल आउँछ. यसरी हामी प्रिन्सिपल निकाल्न सक्छौं. Clear? Okay. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.